it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my June update for That's So 2000s. This is a Fantastic Lady collab, that was created by Samar and Mashni, and all the information is linked in the description box down below per usual. So we're going to go over the prompts I had. I do have one empty and one thing that I'm going to roll out, and we'll roll for a couple of things. So let's start with, I'm going to just go down my line, read you the prompt, and then share with you the product. Be looking to my right because that is where the laptop is. So let's start with the first one. Bratz dolls, something that exaggerates your features, and I brought in this. This is a Profusion lip liner, and you can see where we were and where we are now. There is not much of this left. This will definitely be empty by the next update. I had a couple of others that I was holding on to, and it ended up melting them down with some other blushes to help make a cream blush. So yeah, if you are someone who doesn't like wear lip liners, but you have 100 of them, melt them down. If they're creamy like this, they'll melt down real easily. So this is in to finish. I believe this will be empty next month. Next, the Jonas Brothers, a trio, and I brought in this. This is the Amuse Blush palette, and I am working on hitting pan in one of them. So for the Profusion liner, I've used it 4 times. For this palette, 2, 4, 6, 7, I've used it 7 times. I haven't hit pan yet, but I've started wearing off the heart pattern on these. So yeah, and this is a really pretty palette. This is from Shop Miss A. It's $1. It's beautiful. It's just, I'll swatch this one in the middle. I mean, it's just so pigmented, and they feel like velvet. And it's got just a hint of a sheen to it. These are beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. 10 out of 10, would recommend. And they have several other colors too, I believe. I was on the Shop Miss A site not long ago. But yeah, this is really good. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. 3 blushes for $1. Chef's kiss. Next, Bump It. No, chunky jewelry. Something chunky, bulky packaging, etc. I brought in this. This is a Shigam blush. This is in Dulce Vida. It's one of their liquid blushes. This is beautiful. My goal is to use this 10 times, I believe, and I have used it 1 time. It's really, really pretty. This formula is actually really, really good. I know that Nona had bought all of the Profusion ones. I don't know if they're the same or not, but it's really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. It's not called that anymore because initially they had the NARS names, and I'm pretty sure that that was taken care of pretty quickly. So I actually bought these when they very, very, very first launched several years ago. So I loved it before TikTok made it famous. So you can trust me. Okay? Okay. That is in for 10 uses. I have 1 use. So we're gonna hold on to that. Next is for Bump It, something that adds volume, and I brought in this, the Batiste Volumizing Dry Shampoo. This is an empty. I know it sounds like there's something in it, but I can't get any more out. I really like this. Definitely will repurchase. I like to, well, not that one specifically, but because that one's a volumizer, and why would you put volume and go to bed? But what I really like to do is put dry shampoo on when I go to bed at night, so it absorbs the oils overnight. And when I wake up in the morning, I don't have a white cast. I think it was Christina Chang that was talking about how oily her scalp gets, and I wonder if that's a fine hair thing because mine does the same thing. Today I washed it. By the time we go to bed, I will need to put in dry shampoo because when I wake up tomorrow, it'll be an oily mess. So yeah, it sucks, but it is what it is. Next, we have Hannah Montana. Okay, day to night. I was like, I brought in this. This is the ColourPop Scorpio palette. I couldn't think of anything else. I was like, oh, I'll do 2 looks. And I'll do one that looks like day, and then I'll show you how to turn it into night with just this palette. That was not my brightest idea ever in my life because both of these shimmers are deep and dark. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. Let me think on it. So how this works is she said that you can work on 5 at a time. You can, you know, repeat prompts. So I'm going to try to work through all of them and then come back and repeat. So I'm going to roll this out and think of something else later down the road. We will do this prompt. We're just not going to do this prompt right now. Okay. Next, Frappuccino, something sweet. And I brought in this. This is a Makeup Obsession lip gloss. I am calling this an empty. I mean, you can see down in there, the only thing that's in there is like what's clung to the sides and what's at the very bottom. This is awful. I hated it. It's gritty AF, sticky. I think, and Sophie would probably like it because it's sticky, but it's gritty and I can't get to the very bottom. It's not worth it to me to try to scrape it out. So we're calling that done. It's an empty. I've used it. We're moving on. And then last but not least was Velour Tracksuit, something soft, and I brought in the Norvina palette for No Pan Left Behind. So this is where I say Danny told me so and I didn't listen, and she told me so and I didn't listen. So when we were talking about the Anastasia palette, she's like, I don't think you'd like the shimmers because they're just not that impactful. Oh, it did break a little bit. I just dropped it. And I was like, yeah, probably. But I found it on Mercari and it wasn't very expensive and I thought I'll give it a go. I mean, the shimmers aren't bad. They're just not as beautiful and impactful as some of the ones that I'm working on from different indie brands. So I honestly am just going to roll this out. I'm considering decluttering it, like as in like reselling it or something, because honestly, I just can't. There's the only shade that I've used in here and loved was Volatile, which is this dark matte. And I brought it into another project. I honestly don't remember what. I'm going to guess either 80s or 90s, maybe. But the rest of it, I mean, it's pretty. It's all right. It's just not for me. But yeah, so this may end up being the clutter. It is going to be a rollout. That will be one that is going to be a prompt that I leave in and redo either now or later down the road. So we have 1 real empty and 2 rolling out. So let me change. Let me see. We have, I'm not gonna delete them. I'm just gonna turn them a different color. So my numbers are gonna be a little different because I've copied them into a spreadsheet. So 233. And let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see about 4. Oh, hold on, let me clear history. Ah, pooped. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with number 4. That is Sanrio, a product from a different country. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Next, we have number 8, and that is MySpace Top 8. Use your favorite beauty product 8 times. Oh, the MySpace era. I miss it. Number 19, that's the Hannah Montana. I'm going to re-roll for that one. And then 24 is Mr. Brightside, your brightest product. Let's roll one more. Oh, 2. Worked on it. 11. Uggs, something you wish was waterproof. This is going to take me a hot minute, so I'll be right back. That was hard. I'm not gonna lie. That was really hard. That was real hard. Real hard. Okay, let us start from the beginning. Where are we? Sanrio, a product from a different country. I'm bringing in this. This is the Cosrx Advanced Snell 96 Mucins. What the hell? Mucin Power Essence. CosRX is a Korean skincare brand. You can see where we are. My goal is going to be to finish this. I am currently working on this. I've currently got lipstick. Please tell me I didn't get on my shirt. I've been trying real hard not to get anything on it. Anyway, I've already been working on that. I absolutely love it. Use it day and night. So, so good. So I'm going to mark it. My goal is going to be to finish that. Next, Uggs. Something you wish was waterproof. And I'm going to bring in this. This is a Wet n Wild lipstick in the color. I don't know. Hold on. It got a little messy. I hate the packaging. This is in 542B. And it's not a liquid lipstick, it's just a regular old bullet lipstick, but I do wish it was waterproof. That way I wouldn't have to reapply it all the time. So for this, my goal is going to be to use it, I think 10 times. This project just started in April, so we have quite a ways to go. But isn't it beautiful? It's such a pretty color. I absolutely love it. Hate the packaging. Love the color. So goal is 10 uses on that. Next, we have, I'm missing one. Oh, My Space Top 8. Use your favorite beauty product 8 times. I really struggled with this because I'm basically painting a lot of my favorite beauty items, and then I remembered this. This is from Makeup Revolution. I don't remember what this was trying to dupe, but it's abso-freaking-lutely gorgeous. And of course they don't carry anymore, but it's a beautiful highlighter. And I know you're going, Missy, that's really peach. A little bit of it is peach, yeah. But it's like, again, I don't understand their thinking, their thought process, because the formula in this is absolutely beautiful. It came in like a velour package. I mean, it was just awesome. So that's what it looks like right here. So of course I'm going to use this 8 times. It's really, really pretty. And if you see it out and about, although probably not because it's been around for a while. I think I've had that in my collection for probably 5-6 years. But it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And I don't know why they have to keep discontinuing things. But yeah, I think I saw that BH Cosmetics is about to release a new collection. So fingers crossed it's not absolute hot fire garbage. Hot fire garbage. Okay, last but not least, Mr. Brightside, something bright. I'm bringing in this. This is a MAC highlighter. It doesn't get much brighter than this. This is so bright. It's so bright and shiny. It's beautiful though. My goal is going to be to use this 10 times. So as of the next update, hopefully I will have my goal met on the, so this should be finished for sure. Hopefully we'll have goal met on the blush. And that may be it. We'll just have to wait and see. Was there anything else I was working on? Oh, the blush palette, maybe I will have pan. Don't hold your breath. We'll see. But that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure you check out other people who are doing this project. If you're interested in this one, jump on. Again, we literally just started in April, so we're only 2 months in. There's plenty of time left. You do have to be a fantastic lady. All of that information is in the description box down below. You basically just have to say that you're not going to be a dick, and then you can get in the group, and then don't be a dick. Okay? Okay. Anyway, that's it. It's been a rough couple of days. I am filming this on the 10th. It's been a rough couple of days mentally and just, yeah. So anyway, I hope you're doing well. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.